heading to the Gillies. It's nice and close to my house. It's a beautiful ride, lots of twists and turns, a couple of hundred, something like that. It's fantastic. It's really awesome. It's not very fast. I mean, sports bikes do go up there quite quickly. Of course, no faster than 60 kilometers an hour because that's the posted speed sign. But yeah, it's a phenomenal ride. A phenomenal views, wonderful. I was very lucky enough to receive a Christmas present of a drone this year. So I'm going to go and try the drone out. There's a lookout halfway up, as long as there's no drone sign, which I don't remember there being, but must admit didn't look either. G'day Mr. Man. He has been walking every day for 2 years that I know of. And away we go. Okay, we're coming across the Peets Bridge. It is a beautiful bridge. Why? Because look at that. Wow. Goldsborough Valley, Far North Queensland. Don't swim or you'll get eaten. There are definitely crocs in this area. Very inviting though. I must admit, backpackers come here all the time onto that side there, and there is a bit of a rapid there, some rocks. It's pretty safe there. Crocs don't generally like the rapids. Alright, let's head up the hill. You need to go grow some grass, don't worry about it. This bloke's doing it for you. Just come and grab the grass from there. Pretty good price actually, and it's really good grass. Alright, riding along, and the Little Mulgrave River joins up to the last river that I just showed you. It's only a little one, and a wonderful place to come for a beer at the end of the ride is the Mountain View Hotel. Sitting up there all proud. She's an old pub, she's a lovely old place. Brand new owners now, and it's at the base of the Gillies. So after you go for your ride, you go and have one responsible beer, and then off you go back home again. Alright, so with the first couple of corners of the Gillies, what a beautiful start. What an introduction. They're saying, hey, look at me, I'm an awesome range, come and ride me. Fun for the kiddies! There's a bit of a frog sitting up there, and a Vitara doing the right thing, going for a lovely morning drive. Been there for a long time, that frog. I mean, 25 years that I know of, and I have no idea who paints it. Good on them though. Look at that, Trans Alp just sitting there waiting, saying, come on, let's get on with this. I'm not here for a long time. Here we have my new drone. Thank you so much, Michael. This is my Christmas present, which I amazingly appreciate. Wow. I am up here. I am in the mountains. I'm at a lookout at the Gillies Range. And this is about flight number 4. This is kind of cool. Actually, it's very cool. So here I go. I just press the unlock button. Press the up button, it takes off itself. I can turn it around a bit and wave at myself. Hello me! And I'll just go back away from myself. And there we go. She's up in the air. Let's just do a little bit of a sweep. I've got a couple of motorbikes coming through. Beautiful range. Beautiful scenery. Amazing cafe at the top. Look at that valley. My house is down there somewhere, not sure where, but it's down there somewhere. Awesome. Such an amazing place. Look at all those trees. Imagine being the first person to walk through all of that thick rainforest. Having to try and cut your way through. There I am. Hello, drone. Cutting your way through that rainforest. Now let's have a go at landing. So I'll bring it back to me first. Come on, little fella. Bring it over here. Make sure there's no cars there. And press the landing button. Might bring it down a bit first. Don't want landing on the Armco, that would be bad. And press the landing button and it takes over. How cool is that? You go, drone. As well as those things, we have waterfalls. Yeah, they're small, but they're still there. Look at this road, would you? Look how beautiful it is. Not crazy fast. I've always brought my daughters up here when they're learning how to drive, and now one of them is learning how to ride as well. So many gear changes, road positioning, not too fast. Mind you, we come up here in an 80 series, hence the gear changes. All the brakes on this Transalp are awesome. Twin front disc brakes. Gotta love it. The old CB500 I had before it, CB500X, one disc brake. They were okay. When you're fully loaded up with camping gear though, yeah. Hopefully we'll see a cassowary around here, but been a few cars through, so I don't know if that'll happen. This is where I saw it last time. Not today, too late. Alright, we're in the top section now, so this is the air conditioned area. I'm loving this part here. Thick rainforest, beautiful cool breezes, lovely birds with green wings. As Tina Turner would say, the Gillies, simply the best. That would be a beautiful place to live. And at the top here, on the way to Malanda, which is a lovely little town, we have the Gillies Cafe. There you can definitely get something decent to eat, or just have a coffee. And that's where all the other motorbikers are too. There we go, we've got Hondas, Ducatis, another Ducati, Scramblers, Kawasaki's, Triumphs, a Beamer, some Suzis, all sorts of stuff.
The Gillies is truly a gift from the council to us here in Far North Queensland. It is an amazing range. From Cairns, there is another range just north of Cairns. It's called the Gelatin Range, and it is also a phenomenal range to ride. So a great afternoon ride, or even a day or 2 days if you want, is from Cairns to Port Douglas, up the Gelatin Range, across the top of the Tablelands, back down the Gillies. It is wonderful. I enjoy learning how to ride my bike. I enjoy learning how to make videos. I am a beginner, very much so. So if you have some comments, please give them to me. I really take on any comments and any advice. Thank you so much, and keep up right.